Hopefully make enough money to where you don't have to do it anymore. This last batch I made between 9 and 10,000 profit wise. Everybody's trying to make a living. It's capitalism.
Trying to make a dollar out of 15 cents. Trying to make a dollar out of 15 cents. Trying to make a dollar out of 15 cents. Trying to make a dollar out of 15 cents.
But the party going, they keep drinking.
He buys a kilo a week to break.
Trying to make a dollar out of 15 cents.
You have different denominations that do it. 20s, 40s, 100s. Depends on what you want. Half ounce. Goes up more and more. I'll back as much as I can until the phone rings.
We got fried feet on brine shrimp.
Hopefully make enough money to where you don't have to do it
Then we
anymore.
had fried shrimp.
This last batch I made between...
Here we got Louisville fried. You can still see a cloud of fried shrimp right there. And as you can see, they eating on that. I use a syringe to draw up my brine shrimp. This is my brine shrimp hatchery, and my man Frank Shoulderbrant is going to bring me a triple one of these. And as you can see, all the brine shrimp in there moving around. The next time I put this together, I will show y'all how I do it. But right now, we're gonna go and feed some Dovi. That's the brine shrimp in the Dovi tank. And you can see the fry eating them. And this is freshly hatched brine shrimp. And let's try a little more of this in here with them. And I got enough fry. They go through one of these containers a night. Well, actually, in the course of a day. And as you can see, they eating all the brine shrimp. This is very healthy for them. We're gonna go over to the RTM fry and add a little bit to them and watch them eat some. And the reason I don't drain it right now is because everybody get ready to get a water change. So the little bit of salt in the added to the column, added to the water, is not going to hurt anything. But as you can see, all these RTM fry are eating the brine shrimp. So we're going to go over to another set of fry, and these are the flaviolus fry. We're going to add some to them. That's all the fry you see. And we're going to see the little fries eating them. And this is one very healthy feeding of live food for them. And as you can see, I got a lot of fry. So the last bit of fry is Freddy's. And these are the Trimac SRD X Parrotfish. That's them over there. But we focusing on the fry eating the brine shrimp that's hatched. And I do this like twice to 3 times a day. What I'm going to do is go get me a 3-liter bottle and I usually run 2 of these because that's all I got is 2. But Frank got one. He got some with he got a hatchery. It's 3 of them put together, and it's 3 of these put together, and they 3-liter bottles. So you can imagine how much I would use. Alright, these are my 5-star General fry. I'm gonna add some to them, and we gonna watch them. And these are the Jaguar SRD fry. Jaguar Dover fry here. I'll add some, but these are my 5-star Generals, which desperately needs to go into a bigger tank with all these fries. I could really just leave the fry in here and just take the currents out, and they going back into a 55. They are eating them. And one more feeding of the Dover and Jaguar fry right here. These are the Jaguar X Dover fry, and you can see them eating them too. Well, I'm getting ready for water changes. Everybody happy? I got a female Trimac in here, and she's a wild caught Naraho. I lost the male to this bunch, I'm sorry to say, but I'm going to try to pair her up with Freddie. My 5-year-old Trimac right now, and see what comes of that. So, from Cooper Cichlids to everybody out there on a Friday night, peace. And I just found out what kind of plecos. I got some rubber lip plecos in here, and I found out what's the name of these. I think it's L144s. I will leave the name of these in the description. There's too much of them. And if y'all looking for any of these, they close to 5 inches. I got some in there. Well, I'm not gonna let the ones go, but these albinos are for sale. And there go my big green turd. And I siphon this out every other day, so they get a water change every other day. Because just by the bio load, the plecos, they eat wood like crazy. I just dumped a little nano krill in there, and the plecos will eat that, and so will that go a male albino back there. He got the bristles on his nose. I got some terracotta tubes that I'm gonna drop in here, so they will have a place to breed. But they gonna get their own tank also. That's an umbi. And that is a rubber lip pleco. I forgot, it's got the white spots on it. I forgot the name of that pleco, but that's an umbi there. And they look like a reddish latest there. That's definitely a reddish latest there. And then go another. I got Redis latest Umbi and RTM frying here. I was using this Divers, and I got some T-bars in here also, and a couple silver dollars is Divers. Clown roach. I got an upside down catfish in here, and I got that big boy there. Soon these dithers gonna be coming out. Then I got a Belly Union cichlid. You can see him real good. I took him out of the other tank and put him in here because he's kind of peaceful also. And plus he needed a bigger tank. There go the upside down catfish right there. That looked like a Albino sailfin back there, pleco. So everybody have a good day, good night. And it is time for lights out. I will come back down in another hour and do water changes. And up in here I got my Confirmer, which I'm going to put my SRD Trimac here, and then I'm going to put the flower horn from Chris Cichlids. They going to have this tank. And the black belts got it, and a couple, well, there's only one King Midas in there, and I got a couple of Parasite in there. That's a Parasite. I think I might even have an Aloensis in here right there. A couple of Aloensis look like right there. And I know I got a Parasite in here, one or two left. Okay, y'all, that's it for the Friday night tour.